Are you over 65 and feeling like your legs are betraying you? Slower, heavier, or shakier than they used to be? Maybe you're noticing more fatigue, joint pain, or moments where your balance feels off, and you've chalked it up to just getting older. But what if the nuts you're snacking on, thinking they're healthy, are quietly sabotaging your strength, inflaming your joints, and stealing your energy? Shockingly, over 95% of seniors are eating the wrong nuts, triggering rapid muscle loss, balance issues, and even sudden falls, with the worst offenders hiding in plain sight in trail mixes, snack packs, and heart-healthy recipes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 4 nuts you must avoid to protect your mobility and the 4 you should embrace to rebuild strength, restore balance, and keep you moving with confidence, ranked from least to most dangerous and powerful. Stay until the end, because the final nut we reveal could be linked to leg weakness that causes a fall within days. Let's start with the 4 nuts you must eat after 65, beginning with number 4, pistachios. If your legs feel heavy, your hands tingle, or your feet are perpetually cold, your circulation is crying for help, and pistachios are a powerhouse solution. These small but mighty nuts work like a switch, widening blood vessels that narrow with age, improving blood flow, and delivering oxygen to your muscles, brain, and extremities. This means less swelling in your ankles, less dizziness when you stand, and less of that dead heavy feeling dragging you down. Pistachios also stabilize blood sugar, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes that leave you drained and foggy. But here's the catch. Skip the salty flavored versions in shiny bags. Those undo all the benefits. Go for raw or dry roasted pistachios, free of oil, salt, or sugar. A small handful between meals can transform your energy, warm your hands and feet, and lighten your steps in just days. Moving to number 3, almonds are a senior's secret weapon for muscle strength. If your grip feels weaker, your steps shakier, or simple tasks like walking to the mailbox leave you exhausted, your muscles are starving for nutrients. Almonds deliver a potent mix of protein, magnesium, and minerals that rebuild lean tissue, ease cramps, and steady your nerves, keeping your steps confident and your hands firm. Magnesium is especially critical if your legs stiffen at night or your muscles twitch. Your body's screaming for it. Avoid candied or oil-roasted almonds. Stick to raw or dry-roasted unsalted versions. Toss a handful into your breakfast or lunch, and you'll notice less trembling, less tightness, and more strength within weeks. At number 2, peanuts have been unfairly maligned, but the right kind can be a game changer for seniors. Forget sugary peanut butter or honey-roasted snack packs. Those are trouble. We're talking raw or dry-roasted, unsalted peanuts, packed with protein, healthy fats, and magnesium to fight muscle loss, stabilize blood sugar, and calm leg cramps. If you're winded after short walks, feel off balance, or crash by mid-morning, peanuts refill your body's tank, supporting muscles, nerves, and energy. A small handful daily helps you move smoother, think clearer, and feel stronger, countering the depletion that sneaks up after 65. The number 1 must-eat nut is Brazil nuts, the unsung hero for seniors. Just 1 a day delivers a massive dose of selenium, a master mineral that rebuilds damaged tissues, protects muscles from breakdown, and sharpens nerve signals. If you're sore for no reason, trembling after short walks, or struggling to recover from daily tasks, your body's underpowered, and Brazil nuts recharge it like nothing else. They combat muscle loss, boost balance, and restore energy, but they're potent. 1 or 2 daily is enough, as overdoing it can be too much. Add 1 to your routine, and within days you'll feel stronger legs, steadier steps, and less fatigue. Now let's shift to the 4 nuts you must avoid after 65. Starting with number 4, cashews. Those roasted, salted cashews in colorful bags seem harmless, but they're a health trap for seniors. Processed with cheap seed oils and loaded with sodium, they spike inflammation, stiffen joints, and raise blood pressure, leaving you sluggish, swollen, and off balance. You might not feel the damage right away, but it shows up as fuzzier memory, tighter arteries, and heavier legs after simple tasks. If you love cashews, switch to raw, unsalted versions in tiny portions, but honestly, there are better options. Cut out the shiny snack packs. They're packed with chemicals and oils that hit your body like poison after 65. At number 3, pecans, especially the candied or glazed kinds, are a sneaky threat. Their high-fat content, combined with sugar or rancid oils in processed versions, bloats your gut, slows circulation, and worsens joint pain. You feel it as a cheer knees, puffier ankles, or a mid-afternoon energy crash you can't explain. Even raw pecans can weigh you down if eaten too often, as your slower digestion struggles to handle them. If you must have pecans, keep them raw and rare, but they're not doing you any favors when better nuts exist. Dangerous nut number 2 is macadamia nuts, deceptively luxurious with their rich, creamy texture. After 65, your metabolism can't handle their dense fats, which pile up, fueling inflammation, bloating, and stubborn weight gain. You notice it in heavier legs, sore joints, and energy that tanks faster than it should. The damage is silent at first, making macadamias easy to overeat. A few handfuls pack hundreds of calories your body doesn't need. They slow recovery, stiffen movement, and make balance harder, so cut them out entirely for nuts that fuel strength, not fatigue. The worst nut of all, number 1, is walnuts, falsely praised as brain food. For seniors, their heavy oils spoil quickly, turning rancid and triggering inflammation that clouds your mind, bloats your gut, and stiffens your joints. High in omega-6, they throw your body's balance out of whack, especially if you're not getting enough omega-3s. The result? Tighter knees, swollen ankles, slower digestion, and fatigue that lingers even after sleep. You might think you're eating healthy, but walnuts and trail mixes, salads, or snack bags are accelerating decline, raising blood pressure, and sapping energy. The bitter taste you sometimes notice? That's decay, poisoning your system. Ditch walnuts completely. Don't finish the bag. Don't buy another. Replace them with nuts that calm inflammation, boost circulation, and rebuild strength. After 65, every bite counts, and the wrong foods don't just slow you down, they rob you of independence, energy, and the ability to live fully. By choosing pistachios, almonds, peanuts, and Brazil nuts over cashews, pecans, macadamias, and walnuts, you're not just snacking, you're fighting back against muscle loss, poor balance, and fatigue. Your body deserves clean, smart fuel to keep you strong, sharp, and moving forward. So what's one nut you've been eating daily, helping or hurting you? Share in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from seniors worldwide taking charge of their health. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more urgent tips to stay strong and independent. Start swapping your nuts today and feel the difference in days, because your legs, your strength, and your life are worth it.